Hi everyone! So I want to share with you guys what I had been working on last night. So if you guys remember, I hosted a swap of Build Your Stash where you had to fill up these photo albums. So I started pulling stuff to make a couple of cards, which had me really excited because making cards was on my bucket list. I guess you could say my crafty bucket list because I don't make cards. I think I'm awful at it. So it's something I wanted to practice. So if you guys remember, I bought clearance cards from Hobby Lobby. So I basically used these 2 packs. I did pull out a couple more right now because I want to make some more with you guys. So I have this one and then this one, but the boxes are all falling apart. So I need to get tape and tape those up. But let me show you guys what I made. So this book came from Renee, and that's basically what I've used right now. So the card in the background paper is from my stash, but she sent the balloons and the happy birthday. So on this one, I did pop it up on some foam tape right here. Let me get the other one that matches it so I can show you. So on this one, it's the same thing, my paper, my card. And then on this one, you can see this is what the die is supposed to look like for the balloons. So I cut this, and then to about here off. And then I scattered it. So here's the balloons up on top. And then all of this is just empty space right here. And then I put the strings down here on the bottom. I love how that looks, how I made the strings like very long. So that's what I did for those. And then she sent this purple piece. And then I just layered it with some of my blue glitter. And then the card. And then she sent this paper, and it wasn't long enough. So it's a little bit shorter, but I still like how it looks. And then I used my corner punch to go ahead and round the edges. And then I wish I would have done it on all of them because I like how it looks. And then she sent that Hello Crafty Friend die. And then this background paper is from her. And then she did the Hello Crafty Friend. And then this again was from her book. So that's the background paper. And then the Hello Crafty Friend. So that's what I did last night. So I want to make a couple more with you guys. So I have card bases. I have my corner rounder. I have my glue. I have some pop dots. I should have got some double-sided tape because that way I could preserve my good expensive glue instead of using it all for like gluing down the base. I don't think I have any out here, but that's okay. So I still have a ton. Look at how fat this still is. I still have a ton left, and you'll see I used a lot. So here is that background piece that I did for the one. So I still have 2 more pieces. She sent another purple and another blue. And I wanted to do a Mother's Day and a Father's Day, or just like a mother and a father card. See, like I glued these down, and even on these flags, I'm not sure if you can see, like on this bunny, I puffed it up on some pop dots, and then some I glued down. So here it is. So there's this mom page right here that I want to go ahead and work on. And then there is a dad one that we'll do next. Oh, I forgot to bring a paper trimmer. That's what I'm going to need also, is a paper trimmer. So these are die cuts that she sent. And then she sent these little gold flowers. So we're going to take those off. And then let me go get my paper trimmer. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed some double-sided tape because I had to go get my cutting board anyways. So the good thing is that it gives me the measurements for the cards right here. So these are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I think these do too. Yeah, same size. So for this Mother's Day, well, I keep calling it Mother's Day. It's a mother's card. There is gold foiling. So I'm going to pull out one of the gold cards for the base. And we are going to cut this down. Oh, okay. So if you have the Cricut, this little arm comes out. So you could go ahead and open it up all the way and see exactly where your measurements are. So we are going to cut this to 5 1/4. So I'm going to cut it 1/4 of an inch shorter than the card base. So 5 1/4 by 4. And I'm sorry you guys can't see, my desk is a mess right now. So like basically from here, oh you can't see, but like basically on back it's full of stuff. So I'm basically like cutting this on my lap kind of. So it is what it is right now, you know. Crafter's life is very messy. So that's what it looks like. So I just cut it 1/4 of an inch shorter. I'm going to round my edges. Think I'll do, I kind of like the medium look, so I'll do the 7. Now I did get this corner punch from Temu. It was super cheap. I think it was like less than $5. So I'm just going to quarter round those. Did I say quarter? Corner. Oh Lord, you guys know I can't talk. Okay, so that's gonna be our card base. I like how that looks. Then this double-sided tape is actually from Temu too, and I've never used it before, so I'm excited to see if it's any good. I wonder if I can just rip this off, or do I need... Oh yeah, that ripped. There's some double-sided tape where you need like scissors to cut it because it's like super thick and has like a little plastic film in the middle. But this one is just all paper tape, so that's really nice. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this on down. I'm sorry if I'm shaking the table. This is not the best table. That's usually why I don't do like these kinds of tutorials, because I feel like it comes out very shaky. I need to get another table. Maybe next month I can invest in getting a nice table. I've been looking and they're pretty expensive. Like I was looking at the tables from, what is that, IKEA? I'm like, ooh, those are kind of pricey. Because I wanted the one where it was like the tabletop and then you can use the drawers instead of like getting like legs. So that way I can have storage. But yeah, it's expensive. Okay, here is where you can pull out your pokey tool to help lift some of this stuff off right here. Because this is taking me way too long to try to do it. So pokey tool to the rescue. There we go. So now I need to go ahead and center this the best that I can. Oh, that's probably why I should have used wet glue, because it gives me a little bit of wiggle room, but I think that came out pretty good. Now I have, it says love you and mom all in the same. So I think I'll do something like this. Maybe like that. What if I turn the card this way? Oh no, I kind of like it on the edge that way. Okay, what if we do this way? I'll do mom, love you. See, because I wanted to leave like the little speckles of the gold. Then now will be a top card. Okay, I think I'm going to do this. So let's go ahead and glue this on down. I wonder if I should plug in my glue gun. Maybe I should add those little flowers to it. Oops, let's get that off. So we'll do mom, love you. If you hear my doggy in the background, my big dog is actually in here with us. I've just been kind of keeping an eye on him. He's like developed a cough yesterday, so I'm just trying to have him close by just to make sure he's okay. I don't know if it's just like a random little thing or something I need to be more concerned about. So here is my first little card. Opens up that way. I think that came out cute. Ooh, that glue is stuck. I just realized that that love was a little bit crooked and now it's bugging me. Maybe I should add these little gold flowers. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, let's do another one. So now I have these little strips which I am going to save. I want to do another master board where I use up all my little scraps like this, and then to make like a background piece. So I'm going to put those to the side. And let's see, I still have, oh, I could do 2 more cards. Huh. That might be cute to do 2 more. Let's see. I'm going to do a dad one with you guys. So I'm going to put away these pieces. I could do another card later. I wanted to do a dad one. I liked this little piece right here. Look how cute that is. It's actually a little button. It's a little Brad button. I thought that was so cute. Oh, I didn't even notice that the little lines are like embossed. So we're going to take that one out. I think we'll take out a little bow tie. And I think we'll do this wood grain. So I'm going to have to take these off. The good thing was she used like temporary glue dots, so it's not sticking. But I do have to be careful because I did like get aggressive and like I ripped my paper on one of them. So put that there. And then, oh, that's pretty. It's like sea life in the background. Oh, now I kind of don't want to use it. Okay, well, we're going to go for it. So again, we need to cut this down, just taking off 1/4 of an inch there. So we got 5 1/4. Save that scrap, put it in my scrap pile by 4 inches. Trying to just see which side of the pattern I like better. Okay, put that there. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use the larger round on this time just to see what that looks like. Ah, I messed up. There you go. Can't even tell. Okay. So I got that one. And then, oh, I should have picked. Oh, you know what? Oh, I need to cut it smaller if I wanted to do it on this one and like layer it. I think that black, I think that might look nice, like the little black stripes. But I already cut it to the wrong size. So let's go, oh, let's go for a silver. I have silver over here. So we did the mom in gold, we'll do the dad in silver. Let's see. See, I take too long when I do these tutorials. Okay, let's do that. And I can glue those there. Happy Dad's Day. I think I like that there. Is that too plain though? Maybe this needs to be a little bit more centered. I like the bow tie there. Let's see. No, can you guys see? I don't like that there. Nope, I like it better here. What about inking this one? Can I ink this and not get this dirty? Let me try, hold on. Look at me using all my supplies. I had bought this on Temu, and after I got it, I wanted to buy another one, and it's been out ever since, and it's like, oh, it's killing me. I want it. So I'm using antique linen. I don't know. Oh. Well, don't do what I did. Just got all over your finger. The last time I used it, it looked kind of green. So hopefully it doesn't look so green this time. No, that doesn't look green. So I'm going... I could probably just undo this, but I'm not. I'm just going to do it this way. Hopefully don't get the background card dirty. Not the card, background tag. Just kind of smoosh. Kind of rest it up a little bit. Maybe I should get a darker one too, just to go around the edge a little bit to darken up just the edge. Oh yeah, I like how that's looking. Oops, I got a little carried away right there. Oh yeah, that looks better. I like that better. See if I can just kind of blend it in a little bit more. I am no ink professional, so we just do our best around here. Okay, I like that. Let's cover up the ink. I know I do want this there. I'm gonna go ahead and just glue that down already. Yeah, we'll put that there. How do we want these? Maybe like this? Is that too plain? I don't know. Okay, I think I'm gonna glue these down. And then maybe I'll figure something else out. Do I want it? I think that's good. Okay, sorry about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tape these down now. So yeah, if you joined my Build Your Stash swap, let me know. Have you made anything with yours already? I would love to know. Or if you haven't, has this inspired you to go ahead and make something? I definitely want to go through the rest of the books and see what else I can make now. Because I've been saying I need to craft more. It's just really, really hard right now. With everything going on. God, I really like that paper. Kind of regret using it now. But we are just doing our best around here. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like this card needs something else. If you guys can think of what should I add, let me know down in the comments. Because maybe you guys can think of something that I'm not seeing. But I feel like it kind of needs something. Maybe it's just me that feels that way. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap this video up right here and we'll just see you later. Bye guys.